Yes. So the longitude and time. What is the longitude and time? We have the prime meridian which is in Britain. It's at 0. That point is called 0. The best means of measuring time is by the movement of the earth, the moon and the planets. The sun always rises and sets every day. Naturally, we cannot stop it. But the best timekeeper throughout the world, it is the best timekeeper. You know when it is morning, you know when it is night. Now, local time can be reckoned by the shadow cast by the sun, which is the shortest at noon and longest at sunrise and sunset. Noon, it's over your head, you don't have a shadow, it's 12 o'clock. Morning when it's long, okay, it's 5 o'clock now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Till sunset. After that you won't be able to know anything. Till the shadow is there. When the prime meridian of Greenwich has the sun at the highest point in the sky, all the places along this meridian will have midday or noon. On Greenwich, point 0, when it is right on top of meridian, when it's 12 o'clock there, all the places along this meridian will be afternoon. As the earth is rotating from west to east, those places east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time, and those to the west will be behind. Got my point? Are you able to understand? If I don't have a globe or map, I won't be able to make you understand. Anyways, I'll just tell you, and after that I'll explain it to you. East will be before Greenwich time, west will be after Greenwich time, backwards. The earth rotates 360 in 24 hours. Means 15 degree per 1 hour, 15 into 24, 360, an hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. 24 hours, 360 degree, which means 15 degrees in 1 hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. Thus, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the time at 15 degree east, which means 15 degree in 1 hour, and 1 degree in 4 minutes. So if it is, which means 15 degree an hour, 15 degree an hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. Thus, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the time at 15 degree east of Greenwich will be 14 into 4, 15 into 4, 4 minutes, 15 degree, 4 minutes is 1 degree, so 15 degrees into 4, 60 minutes. That is 1 hour ahead of Greenwich time, means it will be 1 p.m. But at 15 degree west of Greenwich, time will be behind Greenwich time by 1 hour, that will be 11 o'clock am. Similarly, at 800 degree, it will be midnight when it is noon at Greenwich. 360, 24 hours, 180, 12 hours. If it is 12 morning am here, okay, it will be midnight there, 12 hours. At any place, a watch can be adjusted to reach 12 o'clock when the sun is at the highest point in the sky. That when it is midday, the time shown by such a watch will give the local time for that place. You can see all the places on a given meridian of longitude have the same local time. Correct? Now, why do we have a standard time? The local time of places which are on different meridians are bound to differ from each place, obviously. For example, it will be difficult to prepare a timetable for trains which cross several longitudes. In India, for instance, there will be a difference of about 1 hour and 45 minutes in the local times of Dwarka in Gujarat and Dibrugarh in Assam, because they are on different locations. 1 hour 45 minutes difference will be there. It is therefore necessary to adapt the local time of some central meridian of a country as the standard time of the country. In India, the longitude is 82 and a half degrees, and 80 degree. In India it is the longitude 82 and a half degree east. Okay. So 80 degree point 30, 60 degrees is one whole grid, is treated as the standard meridian. The local time at this meridian is taken as the standard time of the whole country. It is known the Indian Standard Time, 82 degree and a half. That is Kolkata time, or you can call it Delhi time. Okay. Now, suppose if I live in Bhopal, a small town near Bhopal, and I tell my friend that I will not be able to sleep tonight. A day-night cricket match between India and England is there. Or suppose I am in Kolkata. That the day-night cricket match between India and England has started at 2 p.m. in London. This means the match would begin at 7:30 p.m. in India and will finish into the night. Do you know what is the time difference between India and England? India is located on 82 degree 30 east. Is always, when it's east, it's ahead. 82 degrees. Now you make that calculation. So 5 hours 32 minutes ahead of GMT, Greenwich time. So it will be 7:30 p.m. in India when it is 2 p.m. in London. Correct? 5 hours 30 minutes. Some countries have great longitudinal extent, so they have adopted more than one standard time. For example, in Russia, there are as many as 11 standard times. The earth has been divided into 24 time zones of 1 hour each. Each zone covers 15 degree of longitude. So longitude is actually into time basis things. Okay. So I'll keep it till here, it is done, and in the next class I will tell you about the question answers, how we are going to solve it and what can be done for it. I'll tell you the question answers which are supposed to be told to you, and still the reading is left. I'm going to read the meridians of the longitude part is left. I'm going to read that. That was my type of notes which I gave you, so I'm going to read it back to you, and then I'll solve. I'll only solve for you, I'm seriously telling you, I'm only going to solve for you G and H. Long answers and short answers. Okay. The rest you have to do, but I will also discuss it with you so that you don't have any problems, don't worry. So that will be much more easier for you. So, but anyways, you have to do things on yourself. Okay. And I have a part of notes for you which I wanted to give you, but I will give it to you in the next class. I will tell you about the notes, and there's a picture also which you will be able to understand the equator, heat zones, everything is in details. I have given it to you. Okay, so that you won't have a problem. And the next thing is you have to study it yourself. I am explaining everything. I'll help you out with the question answers, but you have to go through the chapter and my notes. So don't miss that. You know that if you miss that, then I won't be able to help you. Okay, and we are done with that. I'm just trying to see if I can help you out with the latitude issues, and if I can tell you some question answers right now. Standard time Bangladesh, Okay, I'll check that out and I will see what I can do for you. Okay, what are heat zones of the earth? And explain how time and date change when we cross an ideal. Okay, and what do we have here? How is local time determined is not there with you, but yes, I will try to solve it for you. You don't worry about that. I'll make question answers for you. What are the main characteristics of the parallel? And then we have what are the main characteristics of the meridians? What is the relationship between the longitude and time? What is the purpose of having time zone? That I have. How does a time's place depend on its longitude? I'll tell you all these in the next class, okay? So don't worry, it will be done for you. So till then, take care of yourself, be good, be happy, enjoy, smile, play, eat and study also as well, and sleep properly. Rest, have lot of energy, stop playing with your mobile and go to your terrace and do some taekwondo practice. Take everybody of your house, whole family, go and teach them. You become a teacher, taekwondo teacher. Okay, bye, see you, God bless, stay home, stay safe. Enjoy life. Do whatever you want after your studies.